20 bird idioms. 1. Like a duck to water. Meaning, natural and easy, not needing instruction. 2. Free as a bird. Meaning, easy freedom or escape without entanglements. 3. An albatross around the neck. Meaning, a heavy burden or difficult obstacle. 4. Dead as a dodo. Meaning, extinct, no longer existing. 5. Graceful as a swan. Meaning, elegant, beautiful, and sophisticated. 6. Proud as a peacock. Meaning, arrogant, vain, or prideful. 7. As scarce as hen's teeth. Meaning, limited or non-existent. 8. As the crow flies. Meaning, a straight line path, the most direct route. 9. Birds of a feather flock together. Meaning, a common group of similar members. 10. Eagle eye. Meaning, watchful, having keen eyesight. 11. The early bird catches the worm. Meaning, the benefits of avoiding procrastination and getting rewards for being first. 12. Eat like a bird. Meaning, to eat lightly or be a picky eater. 13. Feather your nest. Meaning, to pad financial gain or collect favors from others. 14. Night owl. Meaning, one who is more active or productive at night. 15. Ugly duckling. Meaning, one who is unattractive or out of place, though who becomes more beautiful or desirable as they mature. 16. Take someone under your wing. Meaning, to offer protective guidance or mentoring. 17. Like water off a duck's back. Meaning, to easily shrug off, shed, or disregard. 18. Skinny as a rail. Meaning, very slender or thin. 19. Happy as a lark. Meaning, cheerful, optimistic, and joyful. 20. Crazy as a loon. Meaning, insane or nutty.